Hey guys, so we're gonna play with this and try to figure it out. That's why
This
it's all
is gonna
open.
be interesting. That's for sure.
It's been screwed up by a previous owner.
One or more previous owners.
That's true. And so we're gonna do a little...
cast motor, 42-inch 6-blade, and
CEC made.
CEC made.
Where's the black?
The blades were painted over white on the other side, and it unfortunately did spill over onto this side a little bit.
Sometimes I don't want everybody to know how the sausage is made. Does Rick even know what that means?
I know exactly what you mean, but I guess I don't think that way. Anyway, oh, it is doing something.
Okay, so this is...
Well, I was more impressed how good we got it, considering what
I know, yeah,
that's what I was getting at. But that looks like what, like a medium?
Yeah. This is what we thought was high when we were bench testing it, so this is why I'm glad that we are testing it with blades.
Yeah. So interestingly, this thing has upward tilted blades a little bit too.
I wonder if that happened to it versus that being...
But they're spot on though. I mean, it's not, they're like perfectly even.
It's wobbling, but I guess that could be because one of them is a little warped. Could also be all the paint. So that's...
Okay, well, one way or another...
38 watts.
We got the blades.
Okay, so that's well below the rated current.
That definitely looks medium-ish.
I agree. So let's try... Where's that? Give me that jumper. That, That, if you can find a better quality one, get me that. But
maybe it's the start if I find a better one here. Oh, wait a minute.
So that looks like a meter lead, not a jumper.
Not really. I think that's probably your best one.
It's fine. I will live.
Yeah, I would just use this.
Okay. It's unplugged, right? Okay, so we're gonna try. And then I believe that was still with the lamp on, so I guess I should try it without. But it shouldn't make that.
Why don't I go sit by the touch screen? I can show it.
Okay. Leave the lamp on because we're trying things now. Okay. Just plug it in, hit the high switch. We're gonna with the lamp.
Okay, high switch. The lamp. Oh, yeah, just plug it in.
What are we drawing now?
0.43.
Still plenty low.
What was it rated at? Like
50 watts. It didn't have an amperage.
Let's leave it at watts so that it's easier to.
Okay, we can do that.
It's probably easier to watch. It's at 50 right now.
This seems like high.
Yeah, it does.
And the wattage rating
It's about right.
Is correct.
Well, that looks like high to me.
So for this, we would need a pull chain that connects yellow and orange. Okay, he'll pull the plug. It's up to you whether you want to leave the high switch. So then medium would be what we tested before.
Yeah, that was the first. You know what? Let me write this down.
No, I'm gonna remember it.
Well, I guess it's on the video.
Yeah, plug it back in. This is medium.
So what is medium?
The medium is connecting yellow to black.
Okay.
Okay, now unplug it.
Okay.
It's unplugged?
Yes.
Okay.
Power?
Yeah.
Still up.
What's it drawn?
1.4 watts. Like 0.08 amps.
Okay. Unplug it. I did the wrong thing. I did it bad.
Okay, it's undone.
Okay. Try now. That's low.
That looks so low.
Okay. Turn the lamp off.
No, that's strange.
Not really. That's maybe not low.
Well, why did it start with the lamp on though?
Because the lamp is putting a resistor in series with it.
Oh.
It could just turn it off. Let's try again. It could just be that the bearings are a little
stiff, yeah.
Okay, hit the high switch. let it get up to speed, and let's see if this is low.
Okay.
Because if this is low, then
we got the wiring figured out.
Well, yeah, then we have to figure out what pull chain, because then it would be orange and yellow for high, yellow for medium, and purple for low.
I'm telling you, let's bring up that cross-reference chart I got.
We can.
It literally tells you like the models for.
This seems like it would be a reasonable low for a fan like this.
That looks like low to me.
Okay.
So it's 11.
Pull the plug.
11.4 watts on that one.
I want to try one other thing.
Okay, you're off.
I want to try two other things, but let me think about this for a second. So.
This is a cool fan, not gonna lie. Very cool.
Yeah, no, I've wanted one of these for years. I'll tell the story whenever we actually video the fan.
Film it, yeah.
Which if we can find a pull chain, then we can still do it tonight if you have time. Yeah, it's totally up to you.
Well, let's see if we can find the pull chain first. That's
yeah. So let's see. So.
I'm telling you, let's try it down. I have to remember it.
Lamp back in. Turn the lamp back on, and don't plug it in yet. I'm still changing wires.
Lamp is on.
But I gotta see something here. I'm pretty sure this is not gonna. Capacitor discharge. Make sure the lamp is on because this might be a short.
It is on, and there's nothing plugged in. It's completely.
I know, but I'm gonna have you plug it in once I get this. I think this is shorting across the capacitor. These are the worst alligator clips.
That was literally the only one I saw in there.
There were a ton, but that doesn't mean that there still are. Okay, hit the high, plug it in, make sure the lamp is on though, because this might be a short. What's it drawing?
It is drawing 42 watts.
So this is the same as medium. Oh wait, what did I do wrong? Okay, yeah, undo it.
Okay.
That's not what I meant to do. No, yes it is. That's what I meant to do. So let me see something there. So if
what did you do differently from the other?
I just shorted across the glass. So this should be exactly the same, right? Try that. That should be the same 42 watts.
Yep.
Okay, unplug it. Okay. The one other thing I wanted to do. You sell something? No. Oh, I just heard tape.
Yeah, I'm giving something to somebody.
Okay.
You should tell Dan to give me a blender fan.
Do you even know what a blender fan is? Mia? Do you know what a blender fan is?
Do I know what a blender fan is?
Yes.
Yeah, Dan should give me one. You should tell him that. Because he's got
Rick's trying to say that you should you should make me give him a blender fan, but I'm not convinced you know what that is. See, your plan has been foiled.
It's not
okay.
fair.
High switch, or plug it in.
Alright. Lamp is still on.
Yeah. That's going to be the 52 watts or whatever it is.
52.
Turn the lamp off.
Went down. No, it's still 52.
Okay, perfect. I just want to make sure we didn't skyrocket
without the lamp on.
Okay.
So that's high. Yeah.
Okay, so great. I feel like
we know what the sequence is, I think.
We know high, we know medium. I'm just trying to figure out if there's a better way to do low. Cut it for a second. I just want to check.
Do you want me to unplug fully?
Yeah, that's what I meant. Because so right now, low is... Lamp back on.
Lamp's on. Oh, I forgot to try this.
Yeah, I was going to suggest you take that on your way.
No, I was definitely going to take it even if I didn't have it
now.
now.
Okay. Lamp on, try now.
Lamp is already on. Oh, that's delicious.
That is the only fruit punch worth buying. What's it drawing?
42 watts.
Okay, so that's still medium.
That's medium.
Okay.
Right, I'm unplugging. Also, for those watching the video, this is what I'm drinking right now.
Yeah.
It is very good.
Have you never had to drink before?
No, I've not. Not this.
Only time, because again, we weren't allowed soda as a kid, so the only time I got that, there was the mini golf course that had the soda there in the snack shop, and they had a soda machine. And sometimes when I would go there with friends, they would let us get a soda out of the soda machine. And I don't know, that was the only place I ever saw a Tahitian treat, and for whatever reason, I was just prompted to get it. I was like, that looks good.
It is good.
It is good.
That was a good choice.
It is good. It is the It is a popular choice of internet memes. There's like a lot of
Right.
internet memes that circulate between that and Hawaiian Punch, but it's definitely better than Hawaiian
Well,
Punch.
this has got a little more zing to it
It
than
does.
Hawaiian Punch, I think.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm just trying to think if there's any combination I could be missing. So,
I mean, if what you think it's like less efficient to do it the way that because we had a low working for sure.
we had a low working. I'm not positive that's the correct low. Let's try it again. Was that this? No, that's high. What was low? Low was purple but not yellow. So this was our low, I think. But let's okay, go ahead. Yeah, that was our low.
Okay.
And what's it drawn?
11 watts right now.
I mean, it's pretty low current draw for a low. I mean, I would expect low to be like 0.2 and then high to be. But anything faster than that would probably be.
Yeah, 0.2 is correct.
Okay, so I guess this is.
11 watts.
So okay, so I guess so. What we need is a pull chain that for high.
Wait, hold on. Here,
It doesn't. I mean,
just
so what we need is.
nobody trusts my methods. Yeah, I know it. Okay,
You have the best methods, Rick.
No, I don't. But
Everything you do is fantastic.
actually, I thought that was Dan, but
It is.
well,
This mine's empty.
yeah. Okay, here's what we're doing. Okay. So what was high?
High would be orange and yellow.
Okay. And what was medium?
Medium is just yellow.
Okay. And what was high? Or I'm sorry, what was low?
Low is just purple.
Okay. So in that case, high. So yellow is used on both high and medium, but in
Yes.
the others, there's still three colors.
Yes.
So therefore, it's going to be a combination of. I'll just number them just for sake of figuring this out. So orange, we'll call that 1. Yellow, we're going to call that 2. And purple, we're going to call that 3. So that means we need a pull chain that goes 1 plus 2, 2, and 3. Which I know I can look that up as to what that is.
Are you looking at this page here?
No.
That's not the page you're talking about?
I have one I like better than that.
Which one's that?
Let me find it first.
Okay.
I can't remember.
For anybody who's watching and listening in, I was on ceilingfanparts.com looking at their pull chain.
That works too, but I actually had
I didn't see anything there.
No, but mine literally says like Zing ear model number goes
Yeah.
with this. Like we can literally just look it up. It's great.
Okay.
Switch cross-reference.
The other thing we can
Oh wait, what was it? Ceilingfanswitch.com?
ceilingfanparts.com.
Oh no, okay. Ceilingfanswitch.com is what
Okay.
I'm using. It is really nice. Okay, let me find what I think we need, and I'll report back.
Okay. Oh yeah, I haven't seen this one before. I wonder who the owner is. I wonder
Here
if
we.
it's the same.
Okay, well, there's one that goes. No, that's gonna be out of order.
You're looking at a 1 plus 2, 3 or something
Yeah,
like
that's
that.
that. It tells me that. Yeah, what combination it is. Let me just find the one that matches.
I'm pretty sure it's one of those ones where black did not go to L, and that's why it is confusing.
Probably.
But I'll tell you what we can do.
So that would not be that one. No, that would never work. Okay, because there's another one that. Okay, so category number 3 is no, because it's got.
Okay.
It can't be all 3 of them in one, though. So that's not
What I would use is a category 2, and then I would just switch the order. And I'm pretty sure there's a way to do that.
Yeah, no, category 2 is the closest one I'm seeing because that gives you high speed shows as L1, medium is L2 and 3, and low speed is L3. Because so see how there's the one speed is a combination, the other two, which is correct, but it's gonna be out of order if we do it that way.
Yeah.
If L, assuming L is whatever goes to these colored wires.
Well, that's the thing is, again, some fans don't, black doesn't go to L.
Right, but I mean whatever's hot, whatever's coming in hot into that is what
is black.
Is it black? Okay, so that would go into L then.
No, I'm saying there's possibilities where it would not, and that's why the switch thing gets so confusing. Is there's some switches where if you put black to a different number, then the combinations sync up.
Well, it doesn't matter if it goes in or out of what, because this is telling you which ones are shorted together per setting. Or
But what I'm saying is, if you make L yellow, for example, then all the combinations change with any given switch.
Oh, we're right, but as long as we know whatever's hot in there, will it need to go into L even if it's not black?
No, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is the hot wire sometimes goes to a connection other than L.
Okay, yeah, no, you're right, but this particular switch is not like that though. This is telling
It could be.
No, it's not. It tells you black wire in terminal L.
You could. That's what they're saying is if you put the black wire to terminal L, then this is what the connections end up being.
Right, which is correct, except one is out of order.
Right, but what I'm saying is if you put black to a different number, then it might be in the right order on that switch or a different switch.
Possible. That I don't know.
Well, the only way to do it would be to test it, unless somebody knows that. But I mean, if you pull a switch out of the switch bin, we can test it on the meter and see. Conversely, if you really wanted to do a test rig video of this, we could just make it single speed,
hot wire
to high, and do a test rig video, and then it would again be the rest of it is a project for another time.
Let me take a look at the pull chain bin and see if we can find something.
Pull chain bin, yeah. Well, give me the. I don't know. It's one.
It's over here somewhere. Where do you need?
The meter. Once you find the pull chains, because then I will test them on the meter. And it's gonna be both leads. Because some pull chains will work in positions other than L1, 2, 3.
Okay, no, I know what you're saying. I just was going by what the website was listing, which tells you.
Ooh, it is late. You have stayed here past your bedtime.
Yeah, I have to wrap it up here. There we go.
Just grab a couple of pull chains that have 4 wires attached. Just grab a handful.
Okay, this one does match that. This one matches the one that I thought would be most likely to work.
Interesting. This one's never been used before, so that is interesting. So I'm going to pretend. Oh, this one's got the right colors too. That's interesting.
That's what I was saying. I think that's the.
So yellow, and this one black connect. So I'm going to make yellow L. So if I make yellow L.
That's an option, but I don't think that would be it.
Actually, I should. Do me a favor and give me that stupid thing, the thing that I hate, the alligator clip.
This one is also an option.
Okay. Don't just look at the numbers though, because again, there might be some others that work.
What did you want?
Alligator clip. No, it's sitting on the ladder. Sitting on the ladder.
There's one here too.
Okay, well, good. Okay. So first, we're gonna see if this is just an L123. So right now we have black as L.
I'm just pulling all the 4 wire ones out.
Yeah, that's the.
That's what I was first of all doing.
So this one is just a normal L123.
Interesting.
Yeah, the numbers, they use the same numbers for a lot of different stuff. You can't go by the numbers. You have 2 pull chains with the same set of numbers that are all different.
Okay, here's a couple more you can try.
Yeah, so this one I can,
Okay,
well,
that one's out then.
yeah, that's not going to work.
Okay.
See, the only problem with these is they don't have the leads. See if you can find some that have the leads. It's going to be a lot easier to test.
You can just stick them in there.
I mean,
We got limited selection with how many 4 wire ones.
are you sure? There should be a ton in there.
Well, I mean, it's hard to tell. There's a lot of light kit ones. What I'm seeing.
Yeah,
And also there's also a ton without leads too.
yeah, that's...
Here's an SMC one, I think, but it's a chance. I don't know. It's got parts off of something else with it, but you could test it. Maybe. No.
Yeah.
That's a 4 wire one. You could test that, but you have to strip them.
You sure this is SMC?
No, I'm not. There was definitely an SMC one in here. I saw that. That's not it.
Yeah, SMCs are usually 3 wire, not 4. Not always, but usually.
I saw because it had a flip.
Okay, so let's try this one first. Where's the,
There's a. There's one. That's an option. I'm seeing some 4 wire, but a lot of them don't have leads.
yeah, it'll just be a lot more time consuming to have to take the leads. This one almost seems like it doesn't work. I'm very confused. I've never known a pull chain to just flat out not work. It looks brand new.
This is the SMC one I was thinking of because it's also a 4. This has got that thing.
Well, it's only a 3 wire, right?
No.
That's 4?
That's very common. A lot of my SMCs use these. The later ones do.
Yeah, unless
It's
I'm missing something. This one doesn't work, which is weird. I've never seen and this is a brand new. I mean, it's never the wire's never been connected to anything, but it does not appear to work. Well, we can only steal the leads off of this, so let's keep this handy.
Right on.
Okay. Let me try this. This one first.
There's another one. It's clear it came off of something, but say it's got 4, but it's a big bulky one.
One.
So if there's no leads on it, does that disqualify it automatically then? Or?
I mean, depends how much time you want to spend. I think if there's no leads on it, I think it's going to be more time consuming than we would want for tonight.
Oh, here's a looking one. That's an old one. Yeah, that's an option.
This is a weird looking
Yeah,
one.
that's what I mean. It's strange. That might be a possibility.
We'll give it a try. Wonder what it came out of.
Hopefully a Ritz.
To be clear, I don't actually know that this is a Ritz. That's just what I assumed from the vent holes.
Yeah. It's clearly CEC, but that's the only thing.
Yeah, that we know for sure it's CEC.
That's the only for sure.
This one might be a winner.
That old that
The weird square one, yeah. Okay, so in position 1.
There's another funky one.
Oh, see, in this one, L was red. Let me start over. So L. 1. So 1. So. Maybe not. This one connects all 3 together. That's not going to do us any good.
That's not. Yeah.
But that's just in that position. So let's try. That's with the line going to red. Let's put the line on yellow. Well, no, because it's still going to connect. No matter what, if it connects all 3 together, it's going to connect all 3 together in one position. So this one's not going to work.
Oh, that's a weird looking one too.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
This is definitely something I pulled.
Do you want me to harvest this one? Try to get that ready to test.
Is there any reason to keep it together, I guess?
No, because this is a hack job already. I mean, not really.
You're the SMC guy, so if that rest of that's not useful,
Not really.
then yeah.
That about did that on.
What? Well, I can't see it.
That's snipped like that's not gonna be useful.
I wonder, was that a light lead or what was that?
I don't know. No, the light was blue usually. That was a speed wire, I think. Well, maybe it was a light wire. I don't know. But yeah, no, that's about cashed, I think. I wouldn't feel bad about snipping this one.
Okay, well, go ahead. Just try, save anything worth saving.
Yeah, I'm gonna put everything back.
Don't cut them that close to the pull chain either.
No, I know, like that.
No, I would cut it pretty close to the reverse switch
Well,
because you don't need long reverse switch leads, but you need long pull chain leads. Purple.
This one come all around. Well, we'll throw that back in there if you want to save the reverse switch. We can test.
Yeah, I have more reverse switches than I do. This one's just L123. So this will be useful for other things, but not for this. If that didn't go to anything of note, then we can try clipping that one. I'm so weirded out that one pull chain didn't work at all. Like, I've never seen a new out-of-the-box pull chain.
Maybe that's why. Maybe it was a freebie. Because they thought something was wrong with it.
Maybe.
Here, try that one.
Okay. I don't even know what happened to it. I put it over here somewhere. Now I don't
Which
see
do
it.
you want me to harvest this one too? I mean, there's not much to really save here either, I don't think.
No, I would cut those at the module because we're not going to use that module connector.
This is off of a Gulf Coast, I think. Is
Interesting.
Because I just installed them, I had this exact same plug.
Could be anything Halsey made then, I'm guessing.
Anything Halsey.
Okay, the SMC L right now goes to 1 and 3.
Okay.
Then it goes to 2. Then it goes to 1 and 3 again. What sense does that make? Then 2 and 3. Okay, so let's try. Let's try 3 as the line. It goes to L and 1. That's off. Okay, let's try. So the first speed would be Ln1. Second speed would be. Nope. Okay, let's try. That's off.
Did you
First
you test
speed.
this one already? This was a no.
That's the one that doesn't work.
Oh, so he's tossed that out then.
No, I'm very confused.
I'll
Confused
put
that
it
it
in
doesn't
so I
work.
can play with it.
But also, I also wanted to like at least use the leads off that to test one of these other ones that doesn't have leads. I thought that'd be an easy way to do that.
You just yank them out, or is there a special?
No, you use a paper clip or a chicken wire or a really small. Yeah, if you yank it out, you'll break something. That's probably not.
Actually, I think that would work. Why not?
Off. Speed 1 is red and black. Speed 2 is just red. This might work. Speed 3. No, red and black again. What kind of... This is not a useful pull chain.
So wait, it's the same setting on more than one?
Yeah. No matter how you wire it, positions 1 and 3 are the same. What sense does that make?
No, it doesn't.
There's off, high, red, black, medium. Just red, that would work.
Just red.
Low, red, black, oh, and blue. So wait. Yeah, no, this won't work. I think maybe this blue wire is a bad connection. Let me test it with blue as the line again and just make sure, but I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this is not gonna work. We tried this one already?
No, that's one I just stripped. That's ready for you.
Let's try that one.
Almost got these out.
So, black is L, gray. I think this is just gonna be L1 through 3. Nope. That was gray, right? What am I missing?